Well, as you guys know, I already checked the sound. I put it down. It was dumb loud. Remember the story? The story how I told you about the cloud I met once? That sounds boring. Ha ha ha! Oh, trust me, clouds are never boring. Hmm. A cloud can fly anywhere once. It can rain on anything. Um, 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 um. How would you grow up to understand the joy of messing up other people's stuff? Alright, so what does this cloud do? Let me put my glasses. It was all white. Disgusting. Once upon a time, there was a small cloud with a big dream. To find a place of old folk tales where clouds can roam free. Use a kitten. And anything they want at any time. So pack its bags, whatever bag a cloud might have, and so on its world-charting journey. Just realized it was blurry. I'm a fool. There you guys go. There we go. To find the mystical, the fabled, the legendary Seattle. Okay. Silk, bride and groom, so of all humans. A starting objective needs to be completed to complete the level. I only have so much rain. Who's unsoaked? Okay. I'm gonna show this again to my girl. She gonna like this. Decor? Let me get that decor. I like how things turn dark when you're over them. There are probably secrets and stuff to be found off map, but we're just gonna chill and go down the right way. Cloudy, Cloudy, help! I might just be a dumpster, but these humans keep setting me on fire. Can you please follow the fires and teach them a lesson? They're trying to promise to take some cool photos of you in action with the photo mode. Check out the property screen! Okay. Whoa! The fire spread speed is insane. Okay. Okay, I don't need any screenshots, so thanks. Gotta make sure I soak everybody, so we gotta give everybody a little bit of drizzle. Could you imagine? You're running around and the cloud just straight rains on you in particular and then keeps moving? It's dry all around you, but you're cooked? Oh ho, who's that I see? A young cloud? Who am I? Why, I'm Papa Cloud. A cloud as old as time? Yes, I was there when the first memes were invented. Oh, those silly badges. I'll help you listen to my words of wisdom. As you progress through the world, you might unlock some fancy hats. How does a cloud wear a hat, you might wonder? Why, simply by entering the cloud house. Go on, give it a try. Where's the cloud house? Oh. Oh, I can draw on him? That's cute. Draw my own face. Borrows from a wedding? Yeah, you know we gotta stay dapper. Fading the purple ring. Okay. Well, you already know. You're gonna get as black as possible and dapper. Okay. Look at his face. Okay, last time we exit the cloud house. Whoops. Ooh, almost took my face off. That would have been weird. Okay, time to make a move. Thanks, Father Cloud. Protect the bomb. What is this meme? This is a meme. This game is funny. Oh shoot, we're cooked. Chill! Chill! Got him. We're in on him. The Dust? That name seem familiar to anybody? Dust? Survive humans, avoid the sun. Why is the sun trying to give me hands? Who's not wet? What the heck? My boy was aggressive. Let's go looking outside a bit. Okay, nothing back here? I feel like a dev like this is hiding a secret somewhere. I guarantee there's a secret on one of these outskirts, man. Never trust a dev. Cloudy, help! Those humans took away all the trees. You need to help us. Oh, I'm Froggy. Back in the 90s, that was a very famous video game. Don't think you don't know. Hovering across the road, avoiding cars like there's no tomorrow. Nice. Please go, beautiful garden. Spare the children. Wait, what'd that say? Do not soak any humans, grow a beautiful garden. I understand. Oh, this is where you get more water back. Could you just imagine chilling with your boy? Which lamp is still on? Oh. I can't see them anymore. What happened if I run out of water? Nice. Oh, hello, Cloudy. I'm Buggy the Bug. I'm thinking about developers to tell you they care about your feedback. But if you encounter any bugs, let them know. That's my whole purpose. You will never see me again. Isn't it unfair how the other characters have such long dialogue and multiple cameos? But you know nothing about me. You're gonna know about my love for the 13th century Greek architecture? Or how I break a really good... Okay. The Emperor of the This is my life now. Let's give him a little bit of that wet. Give him that wet. No sauce? Hello there, little cloud. I'm just your friendly neighborhood grandma. Every story needs one. Here to tell you about the magical exit sign. When you complete all the required objectives to line up, you can end the level by hovering above it. This way, if you do not want to complete the extra objectives, you can leave early. Okay. Nice. I'm doing any silly pranks. Okay. Nice. Okay. Well, let's see. Can I get water from here? Okay, this is where I come for water. Well, we got our work cut out for us this time. There's art kids in the classroom at the end of the hall. Are these art kids? Corral. Because why do they have no roof in their school? Come on, guys, let's get out of here. Okay. What else do we need to do? Time to look for the backpacks. What is this? Why are there different colors in here? Is it yellow plus blue equals death? What else? Overflow volcano, wake up a sleeping teacher. Okay. They don't let me rain on grandma. Oh, it's yellow plus blue. Whoops. Everyone else is just chilling now. Was that loud for anyone else? And the teacher just looks up and my time has come. Oh, these people aren't even in class. You don't see them eating crap? Oh, there goes another book bag. How many more do I need? Right on them anyway. Right on everything, really. Two more backpacks and a volcano. One more backpack. The map's gonna get big, huh? Oh, there goes the last backpack. Nice. That's how we do things. Okay, so these things are kind of cool. I'm gonna look at the next floor. Let's see how much room we got. Oh, actually, I'm not even gonna look at the next floor. I'm gonna call it GG here. This thing's pretty good. There's probably so much content. Yep. There's probably mad secrets though, I swear. Yeah. A game made with love.